Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open a US bank checking account online. So you can do it all from your phone or computer and it's super straightforward. So first, simply head over to the usbank.com website. And on the homepage, you will then be able to see a pop-up on the left for personal banking. So just click on open an account to get started. Next, you will then be able to see your account options. So US Bank offers a bundled checking plus savings account. But if you scroll all the way down, you can also choose just a checking account if you want to. So simply click on the button for the option you want. And after selecting checking account, you will then be asked to enter your zip code. So simply type it in and hit go. So before the application starts, US Bank will then ask if you would like to open a smart Bankly savings account along with your checking account. So this is optional, but it comes with some benefits. So you can save time by filling out one application for both accounts, earn higher rates as you save more, and waive the monthly maintenance fee on your savings accounts when you have both. So you can also decide to open it or just continue with the checking account. Next, you will then have to fill your personal details like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. So make sure everything is correct because it's used to verify your identity. Then you might also be asked to choose the type of account you want, whether that be individual or joint. And after that, you also have to link an external bank account for your first deposit. So the minimum deposit is usually very low and sometimes there's literally no minimum at all. And once you review and submit everything, US Bank will confirm your details and your new checking account will then be ready. So you'll then be able to set up online banking, order your debit card, and start managing your money using the US Bank mobile app. And that's it. So it's super simple. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.